I want to share with you how you can use this holiday season to your advantage. Most entrepreneurs see sales in December slow down and they immediately think they need to fight harder, post more content, send more emails, have higher ad spend, maybe throw in some desperate discounts to get people to buy. But once you understand the different way in which you can use December to your advantage, your approach to the quarter one of the next year totally changes. For example, I spent the last 10 days building two totally different funnels, full sales pages, copy, entire rebranding, while a lot of my competitors are stressing about December sales. So instead of showing you how to squeeze the last dollar out of your distracted buyers, I'm gonna show you how to take advantage of the holiday season and actually make more money in the upcoming month. So let's dive right in. By the way, just created these slides with Gemini and I think they turned out really good. Anyways, so most entrepreneurs in December are fighting the wrong battle, and I'm gonna give you this Formula One analogy. You don't fix the engine when you're going like 200 miles an hour, right? You fix it during pit stops. Well, holidays, especially December around Christmas time, is your pit stop. If you keep trying to sell people, unless you're in the industry where you sell more on holidays, people are taking time off, they're not paying as much attention, they're not buying as much. So instead of fighting it, I say why not go with it? Use it as your pit stop. So while your competitors are either panicking or totally checking out, use this quiet time to fix the cracks in your foundation. This is how you win January and even entire quarter one before it even starts. So I want to give you a couple of things that you can pay attention to, that you can do right now while everyone else is distracted and worried about sales, so that you can make more money in the future. Action step number one is fix your funnels, right? You can go through your own funnel as a customer, click every link, see where the friction is, fix the broken automation while there is less traffic right now, read every email, make them better, improve the follow-up, and so on and so forth. Now, number two, and this is also honestly a reminder for myself, is to do the SOP sprint. What this means is all of these tasks that you're doing repeatedly, well, use this slow time in end of December, beginning of January, to write out your SOPs, record Loom videos on how you're doing things, and start automating and delegate. Literally document the entire process, record it, you can even plug it into the AI for it to create your SOPs based on what you're doing, and this will make this doing it in the future, automating it or delegating it, infinitely easier. By the way, if you want to make more money and save more time by using AI in your business, I'm releasing 1 to 3 new videos every single week, so consider subscribing, and if you enjoyed the tips from this video, consider liking it. Now, this one is big. This is actually something I'm doing right now, the content bank. Currently, I'm behind the scenes recording a lot of the videos, a lot of the boring stuff, so I need to re-record some backend videos, some welcome videos, some thank you page videos, these YouTube videos. A lot of these things would take away time, but now when I'm slowing down with my marketing on the front end, and while my customers and clients and leads are taking time off, I'm using this time to actually record the boring videos, thank you pages, onboarding, modules. Also, what you can do and what I recommend is to do the database cleanup, meaning clean the tags, clean the CRM, send soft personalized follow-ups, and other stuff. I think this is beautiful time for that. Instead of doing the hard pushing, you approach it this way. And I want to share with you like some actual things I did in the last 10 days and I'll do in the next couple of days before I go on vacation. For example, I built 2 brand new sales pages, both copy and the design and the rebranding and the logo and the mockup. And actually I want to show you each. So for example, I built this entire sales page that will go live next year. And as you can tell, it looks pretty good. When I say I built it, I mean I literally vibe coded it with the AI, but still, I would say it looks pretty damn awesome. And you have a sneak peek. And I also built another one. This one is for affiliates, the other one is for like coaches and entrepreneurs. But you see the point, like I did all the copy, all the funnel building, captured all the testimonials, all the boring work, recorded 2 videos today that I need to add onto the sales page. And this is just one of the things that I've done. I also set up like 4 different checkout pages for it, tested integrations. I made the workflows behind the scenes, so when someone buys, for them to receive the email, the thank you page, all this other stuff as well. I'm currently in the process of reworking my low ticket offers and the email follow-up. So all of these things are something that needs to be done anyways. And instead of me now pushing for more sales, I'm actually going for less sales, but I want to set up all the backend systems, all the things that I need to do anyways. So when the January starts, when I go back to work around 8th of January, I have most of these things set up. So then I can focus on actually pushing more, marketing more, selling more, following up more, and all the other stuff. So if you're finding your sales right now in the December slower, instead of fighting it, my recommendation is do the backend. It will bring you more money in the future. Yes, less money now, but it will, for most people, be less money now anyways in the December. So again, take advantage of it. So once the beginning of January comes, and after first week or maybe 2 weeks, people will come back from holidays and they will be ready to buy. So why not take advantage of the next couple of weeks, build the backend system, do the boring stuff, do the SOPs, record the videos, rewrite the emails, do all the boring stuff, and you will be thankful in the quarter one once you start getting new customers, leads, clients, and so on and so forth. So this is my tip for you at the end of 2025, but honestly, this will be relevant in the years to come. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I think you're gonna love the one where I broke down the new AI funnel that even Mark Manson is using, so you can check that one out over here.